Red Sox manager Alex Cora leading his team off the field on Tuesday, organizing a relief mission to his hurricane-ravaged homeland of Puerto Rico. Along for the ride, members of the front office, a handful of players, Boston Mayor Marty Walsh, and 10 tons of supplies. Nesson cameras were there, along with Jemai Webster, who has our report tonight.
On a day that started at 5 a.m., an entire Red Sox contingent trekked all the way to Puerto Rico, landing at about 2 p.m. local time. This relief effort was led by Red Sox manager Alex Cora in partnership with JetBlue Airlines as part of their 100 by 35 initiative to provide short and long-term recovery to the islands. On this trip, they donated 10 tons of supplies. Here's a peek at what happened.
It's been an amazing day to see my mother crying because we're here. You know, that means a lot to me, to see guys that, you know, people you don't know, they come up to me and they say thank you or how proud they are. That means a lot. And have the players here, I mean, that was awesome. You know, have Rick and Chris and Christian and Ramon and Rusney and all these guys, you know, Ivan. It's been a wonderful day. This is just the beginning. We started at the end of the regular season with the Astros. Now we're doing it with the Red Sox, and hopefully, you know, we can continue because the need, it will be there. You know, the need will be there in 2 months, in 3 months, next year. So we just have to identify the needs, and we're going to keep helping people out.
The Red Sox also presented a $200,000 check to the city of Caguas, that is Cora's hometown. And though he says that'll help immensely, the relief effort is only just beginning.